Don't you like it? It's a country. Don't you like it? Don't you like it? We have no place to come and push us, or fight us, or shoot us. We just come and and they tell us we have to run. What do you tell us? Come on, tell Keep going. You're going to number 10. Everything. Heading to number 10, that is great. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. You are not seeing what they are saying. They've seen that they will punish by us. Prime Minister. Now we're gonna try and stay there for a minute. We're gonna slow down at number 10. We're gonna slow down there. We're gonna stop there for some few seconds. Yeah? Nigeria! 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 Nation! 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 Nigeria! 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 Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Nigeria! 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 Nation! 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 Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Now we're going to stand here and we're going to no more war, Nigeria.
You see, this is another protester. This is a lone protester here. Everybody has the right.
On the other side.
You see?
These people in power are very, very dangerous, as you know.
Nigeria! 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 Fraud! 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 Nigeria! Oduduwa! Nation! Nation! Oduduwa! Oduduwa! Nation! Oduduwa! Nation! One might also that they will block you. Fraud! Nigeria is there! Fraud! Nigeria is there! Fraud! Nigeria is there! Fraud! No more war! Nigeria! 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 Nigeria! Now! Divide us! Now! Divide us! Now! Great Britain divide us! Now! Great Britain divide us! Now! Great Britain divide Nigeria! Now! Great Britain divide Nigeria! Now! Great Britain. Listen, gentlemen, that's my lone warrior there. Great Britain. Oh, lion, we're going to of Quake Media. So powerful and still doing the job the way it's supposed to do it.
Nigeria! No more one! Nigeria! No more one! Nigeria!
We're at the entrance of Downing Street now.
Why do you want Britain?
They the one that made us together, the north and the southern Nigeria. Yeah. They're the one that do
colonial time.
Yeah.
And then what do you want to be separated?
To be separated, yeah.
But why do you want that?
Because they're killing us.
Okay.
They're using the cattle the Muslims, the northern guys.
1914 amalgamation is 1914 amalgamation is 1914 amalgamation is 1914 amalgamation is time to divide. Time to divide. Time to divide.
I read about your story recently.
Okay. Yeah.
Freedom. 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 Nigeria is
Just a quick Olumide. Yes, sir, Baba. I'm a great affair. Fagbalagba. Arugbo kò sárúgbó tó máa jẹ president wa mọ́. Àwọn young guys 2030. We don't want 30. We don't want 50 years again.
Let us tell
Don't you
the
like
Prime
your country to be
Minister
like this?
the reason why
Don't
we
you
are
like
here
Nigeria to
today.
be like this, but you
Let
cannot be
us
like
address the Prime Minister, number 10 Downing Street. Let us address the Prime Minister officially from here by telling the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom that we, the Yoruba people, we, the Oduduwa children, it is time now that we come into a serious negotiation so that we can end the 1914
Amalgamation.
So we can end the 1914 amalgamation has the 1914 amalgamation has the 1914 amalgamation has now it is time that we tell the whole world. It's been a long time. They thought we were not serious. They thought we were not ready. Are we ready now?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready now?
Yes!
Are we ready now?
Yes!
Are we ready now?
Yes!
All we are saying, give us Oduduwa. All we are saying, give us Oduduwa. All we are saying, give us Oduduwa. All we are saying,
Prime Minister.
give us Oduduwa. All we are saying, give us Oduduwa.
Prime Minister.
All we are saying,
Has the lovely back your thing you got? So some stickers.
all we are saying, give us Oduduwa.
Ìwé ọmọ Yorùbá.
All we are saying, give us Oduduwa. All we are saying, give us Oduduwa. All we are saying, give us our rights. All we are saying, give us one house, one house, one house, one house, one house, one house.
The reason why we are coming up Nigeria is not working. Network is not working. Nigeria is not working. Nigeria is not working. There's no stability, is not working. Nigeria is not working. Nigeria doesn't have conditions for development, it's not working. Nigeria needs stability. Nigeria needs nation. We want to come out of Nigeria because we haven't got a conducive environment. It's not good for Nigeria as a nation. So therefore, we want to come out as Yoruba Republic. So when we come out, it's going to be a conducive environment for us. It's going to be a security for us. It's going to be an environment that everybody will like to come. Oduduwa nation. Oduduwa nation. We say Great Britain, we want to come out. No, we want to come out. No. Britain, we want to come out. Nigeria want to come out of it. We want to come out of Nigeria. We want to come out of Nigeria. We want Great Britain to accept it now. Accept it now. Accept it now. Enough is enough of killing. Enough of killing. Enough is enough of suffering. Oduduwa nation. Oduduwa nation. Great Britain, we want you to listen to us. We want to come out because it's not working. There's no stability. There's no inclusive Nigeria. It's not working. There's no inclusion in the nation. So we want to come out now. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want to work together. We want to be one nation. Yoruba nation. Oduduwa nation. Yoruba nation. Thank you.
person. Next person.
What's the Prime Minister going to do? How can he help you? Because the
Prime Minister can help us because our independence comes from this country.
I understand.
Yes.
And so
the Prime Minister forced the amalgamation of Nigeria to work together. We are big nation. Yoruba is a
but he still has that
we have been organized ourselves even before 1960. We have been organized ourselves. It has been Nigeria has been existing from 18 something, which they have been organized before the Britain come and join everybody together. And still from 1960, we have been in best. All what our forefathers have brought up for us, now is in trouble. There's nothing to point to. All our children, they go to school, university, and there's no work. All the ones that are not going to university, they are putting them because they are Fulani or Hausas. I don't come here to say that. But what we want to stand back. We want to rebuild our nation. We want it to be the country where everybody can come and have its peace. Now we want that Nigeria. We want the Nigeria to break into pieces. Igbo want to go their own. Yoruba want to go. And this is the country who match the country together. That is why we are here to let them know this is the time the amalgamation which you joined in 1914. He expired at 2014. Now we need our freedom. We want our freedom of speech. We want everything to be free. We don't want enough of killing. As soon as you say something in Nigeria against the government, they will pick you up as if you have nothing to do. Now we cannot control it again. We want that country to be peaceful, free, everyone. Dismantle it and let everybody go. After all, the Britain can go out from the EU. Nobody said why. You can see what they call it, they are agitated to go again. They are doing this. This is what we want. We don't want bloodshed. That is why. But if it's not where they are going, they will see it. But now it's good for you to come. All the marriage you join together is not working. Now we are knocking for the divorce. Divorce us and let everybody go away. Mr. Prime Minister, you need to divide Nigeria. Yoruba want to go now. Mr. Prime Minister, listen to us. You need to do something. Enough of bloodshed in Nigeria. We are no more Nigeria. We are not part of Nigeria. Mr. Prime Minister, just like you exit the European countries, we want to exit Nigeria. Listen to us, and you must listen good. Thank you. Over to you. Yes, Martin. Director, speak louder. You have to speak louder. Okay. Let's spread out.
My fellow Oduduwans.
Let's spread out.
Let's
spread out. Let's spread out. Everybody will give up a space.
No, they won't do that. Because they don't want people to know the all the atrocities, like France is still. Technically, all these.
Nobody should call.
Nigeria is vanished. That country is gone. My people, Prime Minister, all the executives, Nigeria is not working. Nigeria is not working. It will never work. If we stay together, it's like a forced marriage. My people, it's like a forced marriage. Dissolve us now. Dissolve us. Nigeria is a forced marriage. There's no doubt about that. Prime Minister, you listening? Nigeria is a forced marriage. We are only forced together. We Nothing is working. The Northerners are not friendly with the Easterners are not friendly with Westerners. So what's happening? We need one language, one culture, and one nation. Yeah, we need our own nation.
Yeah.
Separate us now.
We have a country, we don't have a nation.
Prime Minister, separate us now. 2014, the amalgamation is finished.
Yes.
We're done with it. We're done with it. Let us go. Let Oduduwa people go. Let us go. We want to go to our own land. We've got everything. We've got everything that we can be proud of. But I don't know why we're still together. Prime Minister, listen and listen. Prime Minister, listen to us. Listen to us. Boris Johnson, listen to us. We want to go. Let us go. Let us do our own separate way. Nothing is working. Medical is not working. Medical education is zero. Nothing works. Nothing works with our president comes here. If everything is working in Nigeria, why should we come for medical? Why? Why? You take all the foreign currency. You are so happy with it. You are pleased with it. I don't know. Are you taking country? Huh? Yeah, but this country is even better than Nigeria. This country is better than. Let Oduduwa go. Let Oduduwa people go. But you're still better. This country is still better than Nigeria. So my people, let us go. We want to go. We want to go.
All right, we'll cross to the front, other side of the road, and then we're going to stand in front of the
That's right.
Oduduwa! Nation! Nigeria is a! 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 Oduduwa! 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 Yoruba! Yoruba! 1914 amalgamation is a 1914 amalgamation is a I said 1914 amalgamation is a I said 1914 amalgamation is a Great Britain divide Nigeria. No. Great Britain divide Nigeria. No. Great Britain divide Nigeria. No. Oduduwa. I said Boris Johnson. Great Britain divide Nigeria. No. Great Britain divide Nigeria. No. We're going to start now with the speech, and then we're going to give it to the next person. Thank you to our mother. Thank you very much.
The one in charge.
Continue.
So if you want to speak, stop to me. Thank you. Yoruba country is what we want. We want Yoruba country.
Yes.
We want Britain to divide Nigeria so that Yoruba can go.
Yes, we are fed up.
Yoruba want freedom.
Yes.
Freedom.
Now.
Freedom.
Now.
Freedom.
Now.
Yoruba freedom is what we want. Oduduwa nation now. Boris Johnson, please give us nation. Give us Yoruba nation. Boris Johnson, Britain, please give us Yoruba country.
Yes.
Oduduwa nation is what we want.
Oh yes.
Oduduwa nation is what we want.
Yeah.
All our children, they cannot get jobs.
Yes.
Because it's only some part that is enjoying Nigeria.
Yes.
We Yoruba, we are so many. We are 65 million in the whole world. And we are not enjoying anything. We want Yoruba freedom. Oduduwa nation now. Oduduwa nation now. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Boris Johnson, please give us freedom. Give Yoruba freedom. Give Oduduwa nation freedom. We want to go from Nigeria. Please give us our nation so that we have peace of mind. Our children, they cannot do anything. Most of them, they came out from university. They are now Okada rider. They are not doing anything. They are doing all sorts of menial jobs. Give us freedom so that we can manage our nation. Thank you. Next, who else?
Boris Johnson. My name is Victoria. I'm a nurse by profession. We are asking you to divide Nigeria now. Yoruba is over 60 million population. We are more than the population in Nigeria. We are working like no man's land, and we don't earn anything. Nigeria Yoruba is suffering. Boris Johnson, Britain, just exactly you walk out of what do you call it? What did they walk out? EU. You walk out of Europe. Europe. You walk out. We want Yoruba want to walk out of Nigeria. Permit us to have that now. You force us to work together. The amalgamation has now expired in 2014. This is the right time. Do it now, and your name will be in history. Boris Johnson, I am talking to you as a professional in this country. Enough of suffering in Nigeria. People are being killed. Children are being killed. And then you have humanity in this country. Please, Boris Johnson, this is your time. We want you to use your power. Separate Nigeria. Give us Yoruba out of Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Yes. We cannot be slaves forever. They are killing our children. And you can see it. You pretend as if you don't see Boris Johnson. You have to do something. You need to rise up and do something about it. Yorubas are fed up. You need to come to our aid. We are calling on you. We are calling on Britain. Please, Yorubas are suffering. We are the largest in Nigeria. We provide all the infrastructure in Nigeria. Yorubas are tired. We want to come out of Nigeria. Britain, because your humanity is number one. We are calling upon you to do something about it. We are calling upon you. Yorubas are tired. We are crying. Our children are crying. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
It's enough.
Enough is enough. Anyone else? Anyone else? We have a sir. So you better come up and dance.
Oduduwa! Oduduwa!
Nation!
Oduduwa!
Nation!
Oduduwa!
Nation!
Oduduwa!
Nation!
One nation! One Oduduwa! One nation! One Yoruba! One people! One Oduduwa! One culture! We want to appeal to the world, to the people, to the good people of Great Britain. The same way you decided democratically and exited the European Union. We are not asking for anything more. We are only saying because Europe became incompatible with the values of this country. And hence, majority of people in the country made a total decision to leave. Majority of the Yoruba people, this is a civilization that has existed more than 1,000 years, even before Nigeria. And yet, the amalgamation came up in 1914 through the instruments of government of the United Kingdom, and the entity called Nigeria was forcefully patched together. There was no...
You can call me.
Nigeria. Nigeria. Britain is going to lose everything. speak your language. We still speak English. In addition to our language, a lot of our citizens are scattered all over the world. You say you don't want to foreigners are coming here to take your job. No, many of these foreigners, many of us are out of our homeland. I am in my 60s. I want to get back to my homeland. My homeland is Nigeria. That is the spirit of my ancestors decide. That is why I want to be. That's why many of us want to be. That's why we are fighting. Even for personal gain, for benefit generations of born. The mistake of 1914. The mistake of 1914 has to be what? Corrected. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Long live Oduduwa nation. Long live the Yoruba people. Long live the United Kingdom.
Thank you, sir. Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation.
Can I speak?
You are not speaking on behalf of Yoruba one.
No.
You are speaking as Yoruba.
Yeah, Yoruba.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. Hello. My name is Sister Puki, and I'm here to speak on behalf of the.
Agbe said, put it closer to your mouth. Hello, put it closer to your mouth.
I'm here to speak on behalf of the Yoruba people.
Where is the speaker?
Where is the speaker?
Hello, the speaker.
Hello,
I bet you Jimmy.
Because it's very face that side of the face.
but we can't hear anything. What's the point? What's the point of facing the streets heritage?
I'm here to speak.
Barista. Mori barista kí ọlá ń sìn.
I have two families.
Akọgun fún ara ẹ̀. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ àbá. A ṣe ṣe láṣẹ. Erelu.
One is the British people.
A ṣe ṣe mà. Àdúrà gbà. A ní ṣìṣe.
Their water runs in my blood. My second family, or my first and second family, is the Oduduwa nation that I love with all my heart. So as I would fight for the British nation, so would I fight for the rights of the Oduduwa people. Now I want to give a very moving speech. There is no freedom in Nigeria. There is no freedom. There is no freedom for the Oduduwa people. Although that this is a Oduduwa rally and Oduduwa people fighting for their rights, we are also working with, and if you don't all mind, with the people of Biafra. There is no freedom in Nigeria. If you talk in Nigeria, it is a crime. There is no free healthcare. There is no education. There is no 3 square meals every day for the Oduduwa people. Can you in Britain put yourself in that position where you have no rights to freedom? None whatsoever. And that is why, as a British person and as a British citizen, I am fighting for the rights of my people, just as I will fight for the rights of the British people. The Oduduwa people have the right to freedom. They have the right to free speech. They have the right to free healthcare. They have the right to free education. They have the right to life. There is no life in Nigeria. The Oduduwa people have their own culture. They have their own language. They have their own rights. They are entitled to those rights. The British people need to come out today. Who signed the 1914 amalgamation? You need to own up to it. Who signed the 1914 amalgamation? That it was not in consent of the Oduduwa people. They did not agree to that 1914 amalgamation. Let us all sit down on a round table and bring out the documents for the 1914 amalgamation. So many lives have been lost. So many people have died. There has been bloodshed. Britain, come out. Britain, come out. Britain. Britain, come out and let us know where we went wrong. I'm now speaking as a British citizen. Where did we go wrong? When did we sign this 1914 amalgamation? We want answers, and we want answers now. We want answers now. So we are here to stand for our rights. Just as Britain has rights, the Oduduwa people also have their rights. And we are asking for those rights now. We want freedom now. We want our rights now. Thank you. Thank you.
Oduduwa.
Nation! Nation!
Ó ṣe nígbà tó rí torí tèmi ní òṣìṣẹ́ mọ́. Oduduwa. We are all out today. Láti fi ẹjọ́ ọkọ̀ wọ́n wà. Mo fẹ́ kó gbé Yorùbá bó ṣe máa sọ Yorùbá. Ó láti ọ̀nà sáyé wa.
Èrò ti wọ orí ẹ̀. Èrò ti wọ orí ẹ̀.
Ó lè dá ìjọ àpapọ̀ láti gbà ẹ́ náà àwọn ojúṣe oríṣi. Now we are here today to tell them in number 10 Downing Street that enough is enough. We are here today to tell them in number 10 Downing Street that enough is enough. We need to go out of Nigeria. We need to go out of Nigeria. We need to go out of Nigeria. We walk out of Europe. Ṣé ìdàgbẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́? Ṣé ìjàmbá ń bẹ̀? Ṣé Yorùbá wọn jà? That same way, we want them to tell Nigeria that we want to work out of Nigeria. They can't be killing our brothers and sisters. We can't be a slavery in our own country. Ebi ò lè máa pa wá nínú ìlú wa náà. Why do we all keep quiet? Every one of us send money to Nigeria every day. Yes. Stop it. Did anybody send money to you from Nigeria here? No. No. Nigeria is one of the richest countries in the country. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Where is the money? Nowhere. Who is putting their feet on the money?
Fulani. We have to mention their name. Go and sit down, my brother. We have to mention their name. We have to mention their name. We have to mention names. Please.
We
have to mention the people that
we have process now.
We have to mention their name.
Okay, come and talk. One
house.
We have to mention their name. Yes. Forget that.
Yorùbá ò lè
Not
gbọ́ràn.
mention their name.
Don't you know your leaders? Yes. Don't you know of them? We don't them.
Yorùkọ tẹ̀ mẹ́sàn yẹn ló máa fi fún yín nìkan tẹ́ fẹ́ gbà. Tó bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kó sọ̀rọ̀ kó ń ṣe kó máa distract kó máa mention fúnra níbí kan. Máa distract. Wọ́n ò ní gbọ́ràn. Ṣé kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ sọ fún wọn ni? Àwọn náà ń ṣera wọn.
Because some people want to cause trouble. I will be having a warning on this. So let's have a peaceful warning. Let's have a peaceful rally. Let's move out of Nigeria.
Peacefully.
Let's move out of Nigeria.
Peacefully.
Listen, I've said it once and I'm going to repeat it again. Our job is to make noise. If you are not tired of sending money to Nigeria, I am tired. If you are not tired of hiding in this country, I am tired. So we need to come up from the bottom and do the same thing. Until we walk out of
heritage.
Until we walk out of
Nigeria! Fulani is killing us. We have to measure their name.
Hello, my name is Shola Salako.
Yeah, welcome. A lot of voice.
I want to commend the people that organized this. I want to also commend them for being so quickly, because when I saw the details about people assembling, I'm like, what will happen? So well done to very much for coming. And bear in mind, I want to say that for 6 years, they have said to us, Nigeria no go better at all.
Where's the microphone?
One house.
You don't have to listen to me. Go and look it up. The Yoruba land is the richest part of that place. That they call that place they call Nigeria. And yet, we, the sons and daughters of Oduduwa, are scattered across the globe as if we had no home. So it is important for us to prepare for our future. And our future is in a separate, sovereign Yoruba nation.
Yes.
Our children deserve better. Yes. All of us living here, we know what we go through racism, through marginalization, through all of these. We deserve better. Yes. And our children deserve better. Yes. And they must have better. Yes. You know what frightens me? You see or what's the ethnic group? I'm sure you can think of ethnic groups. Before you know it, your land is not yours. We do not want to become like the Australian Aboriginals. Yes. You see how they're living in settlements. Yes, settlements. That's, if we do not act today, that is the future for our grandchildren and our generation. So, somebody said earlier, our job is to make noise. Even after today, we must continue to make noise. Yes, every day. We must continue. Yes. We must spend whatever extra time and energy we have. We must spend it on however way we can do it to make a Yoruba nation a reality. Yes. In our lifetime. I do not want to die somewhere where nobody knows who I am. I don't want to die. I don't want my body buried somewhere where nobody knows. Nobody's coming to look at my grave later. I want to spend my old age in the land of my birth. My ancestors, their blood, their sweat, their tears watered Yoruba land. And by the grace of God, my body, our body will water and feed our land. And however, let me tell you something. We are going to have a Yoruba nation. Yes, definitely. There's no question about it. You know why we're going to have a Yoruba nation? Because we have decided we're having a Yoruba nation. Yes. And once people decide, no force on earth can stop them. One. The other reason we're going to have a Yoruba nation, because our women are here. Yes. There's no self-determination group where the women are involved that does not succeed. Yes. We're having a Yoruba nation. The other reason we were having a Yoruba nation is because the diaspora is involved. Yes. Go and look. Even the Sudanese, the South Sudan that got their independence, go and look at what the
diaspora Sudanese did, how hard they worked to get that from them. So we will have it. It is just a matter of time. You see that this thing you're holding, that amalgamation, I'm sure you all know it was a fraud. Nobody asked my ancestors whether they wished to be mixed with somebody they didn't know. And it is, we are lucky. Wait, let me just finish off, sorry. We are very, very lucky. Why? Because we have the opportunity to right this evil. And our generation will right this evil. I'm telling you, this is not the place to discuss how we will have a Yoruba nation, but we will have it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Madam, can I speak to you, please? Okay. Should we do it like this? Yeah, which is better? Hello. I understand your name is Shola Salako. Who is Shola Salako?
Shola Salako is a Yoruba nationalist.
Yeah.
She's a woman who believes that the future for the Yoruba nation is a separate, sovereign Yoruba state. There is no future in Nigeria. 60 years of being in prison inside a colonial plantation is enough. We deserve better, and our children deserve better, and our unborn generations deserve better. That's Shola Salako.
And in the last week or so, you are confirmed the Yoruba World Congress International Coordinator, yeah? Congratulations on your appointment, yeah?
Thank you.
What is the plan to make this realized?
Our plan. Now, a general does not disclose his tactics.
That's true.
So I'm going to tell you that whatever we can do in the diaspora to help our people back home to get to Yoruba nation, we will do it. But I'm not going to discuss the how, because that is not what you do.
Okay, thank you very much for that. And you are one person, a one-man soldier or one-woman soldier that actually work together with a lot of people that coordinate the UNPO thing. Can you tell us a little bit about the UNPO?
Okay, the UNPO is an organization. It's basically an arm of effectively the United Nations. And what they do is they believe that nations, peoples have the right to determine the states, how they're governed, and basically the right to nationhood. So what we did, it wasn't an army of people. You know how people now, it wasn't an army.
Yep.
It was two people. Maybe one or two people who made who did what needed to be done to get the application through.
Yep.
And thank God, like Barry alone, we got it.
Thank you.
And we are now recognized. You see, this thing is very important. We need to know that we are now recognized as separate from Nigeria, which is what we need to do. We are completely separate from Nigeria. We are a nation. We were forced into a marriage. Nobody asked us if we wanted to. Do you see? And it's not by force you stay in a marriage. If a marriage is bad, which it is, these Fulani people coming from Chad, coming from Mali, coming from Mauritania, coming from the Niger Republic, they are killing our farmers, destroying their crops, raping our women, stealing. It's enough, Abi. The land is ours.
Yes.
And if you read history we are an Asian people, 4th century BC. We deserve our nation, and we will have our nation.
Amen.
Just a matter of time.
Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to speak to you today. My name is Ade Thomas from Heritage Television. Even though we've spoken so many times, but this is the time we're meeting ourselves. God bless you, sister. I'm going to invite you soon. I'm going to invite you soon, and we'll go.
I didn't know who I was speaking to.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you very much. Yeah,
right.
I'll call you later and we'll see what we can do.
When they were caught, when they were captured, the few of them that were captured, what does the federal government do for them? They get them amnesty. Is it reasonable or unreasonable? Unreasonable. So in this situation, I supported the secession of Yorubas to establish the Oduduwa nation. Because it is very, very obvious, very, very transparent to people to see that we are not in harmony. There's favoritism in Nigeria, and this favoritism must stop.
Out of Nigeria, please.
And the only way that can be stopped is what you and I have done today, to come and make sure our voices are heard in the hardcore of United Kingdom.
Yes.
That is down street number 10 in front of us. So we are making our speech to number 10 that the amalgamation of 1914 it has expired.
Yes.
In this situation, in this regard, I sincerely believe that we have the statutory power or rights to tender our divorce.
Yes.
With the northern part of Nigeria. As I said, most of the strategic areas in governance are dominated by the northern people, which is contrary to our 1999 constitution. Now, another question to you is, as I said, anytime the terrorist suspect or whatever were captured, they do give them amnesty. Okay? Federal government said it is in conjunction with the United Nations or an Amnesty International to give them this. But the question is, how are we sure? Is it reasonable? Now, I don't people remember those criminals in the southwest. We want to juxtapose the criminals in the north and the criminals in the southwest. Now, the criminals in the southwest, whenever they were caught, for example, the 1 million boys. I've been heard about 1 million boys. Yeah. They called themselves 1 million boys. Anytime they were caught, what happened to them? They killed them. They killed them. Okay, that is extrajudicial because they were not tried. What I'm trying to analyze here is the few of them that were captured, they were legally tried in the court and they were sentenced to prison. So the question now is, why are the terrorists, the Fulani terrorists, are not tried in the court and give amnesty from the court?
They even become your army.
Why should the federal government give them amnesty without trial? Amnesty is supposed to come after their conviction. And the government will not look into them that they have changed. That is the purpose of amnesty. You can't just catch somebody like this and tomorrow say give them amnesty. It doesn't make sense. That is an inroad to crime. That means the government is encouraging more criminals in the north. And that is why the road to terrorism in the northern part of Nigeria is keep multiplying because they are technically sponsored by the government. How many of you remember the voice or the language of Herufai?
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Those are the signs that those terrorists are being sponsored by the government. And who remember the language or the statement of late Abasha? He said, anytime there is insurgency that lasted over 24 hours in the country, in the state, technically said the government is involved. So in this situation, technically we all are educated, we all are enlightened, we all have stayed in the West. So why is it difficult for the Nigerian government or for Nigerian military not to overcome terrorists of today? For example, if there are crimes here today and government want to stop it, and they mobilize the land survey and the here. Anytime there is air surveillance, there's no how you can hide. The question now is, why can't Nigerian military take over the air surveillance to ensure they can get there? So in this situation, it technically means government is in support of them. And this is how government fraudulent acts in Nigeria. Terrorism is a business in the northern part of Nigeria. That is my argument. Now, last one. How many of you believe with me that there are great depression in Nigeria?
Yes.
Yes.
Great depression is going on in Nigeria today.
Yes.
As my colleague said, we all are